Welcome to today's online class. This is Mohammad Wahiduzzaman, lecturer in English, Kajipura Siddiqia, Fadil Madrasa Kafrul Dhaka. First of all, my dear students, honorable guardians, viewers and listeners, well-wishers, each and everyone, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You know, it's a 2 months long foundation course, and in my foundation course, I discussed many things in my previous classes. Today, I am going to discuss about parts of speech, its definition and formation of words. So let's get started. First of all, let's learn what is parts of speech. You know, each part of a sentence is called parts of speech, and according to the use and function of these words are divided into different classes. You know it better, and I'm going to repeat it for a better understanding. You know, they are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So, however, it's not my today's topic because it's very simple and you know it, what is parts of speech. But today I am going to discuss about formation of words. First of all, formation of abstract noun. Okay, let me do clear it. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is a type of noun that represents immaterial or abstract things. And abstract nouns are things like ideas, concepts, feelings, traits, etc. If I want to give an example on it, you can compare it with a spider and fear. You know, you can see a spider and even you can touch it, but whenever I'm gonna say about fear, you cannot touch fear, or even you cannot see the fear, but you can feel it. So abstract noun is very clear. Abstract noun is a type of noun that you cannot touch it or see it, but you can feel it. That is abstract noun. For example, fear. Okay, however, so you see, formation of abstract noun. Whenever we are on the way to form abstract noun, so we have to follow some things. These are the signs of abstract noun, like ness, shone, cy, cet, yth, main, shone, al, ism, hood, dome, sheep, ace, ur, iwari, ing, ear. Okay, these are the signs of abstract noun. Okay, these are also called suffixes. Okay, so I'm going to write examples for each signs of abstract noun. First of all, ness. So you know, kind, is adjective. So when you add ness with this main word or root word kind, it becomes ness, kindness. It is abstract, it is a material noun. Okay, similarly, awareness, and ti shone, action, solution, cy, fe, cnc, ce, defense, evidence, You can see that nice is added with kind, aware is added with nice, awareness, action, T-I-O-N, shown. We find here shown, T-I-O-N, shown. We find here shown. C-Y, efficiency. C-Y is linked with efficiency. However, C-E, defense, evidence. We also find here C-E. Okay, so T-Y, ability, honesty. Only Y at the end of the word. Misery, victory, TH, depth, strength, meant, move. You know, move is a verb, and this verb is linked with meant, and it becomes movement. It is abstract noun. Movement. The same case with the development, shown. Pain and shown is used with the main word or root word. Pain becomes pension. Position, AL, arrival. Proposal, proposal, ism, hero, ism, hood, boy, hood, child, becomes childhood. Free, and we add here dome with the root word free. Freedom, king, kingdom. We find dome in the word freedom and kingdom. Here we find dome. Sheep, heart, sheep. You are very familiar with this word. Friend, sheep, is marries, bondage. ING, equerry, adventure, and culture. ING, bank, banking. Ear, teacher. Banker. So you see, these are the abstract nouns, and you have made this abstract noun using ne, shon, cy, like this suffixes. So my dear learners, you have enjoyed. I hope that you have enjoyed this class, and it was my part 1 class for today, and in my next class you will see the part 2 class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. That's all for the time being. Thank you very much for watching my class.